7 refreshing mocktail drink recipes. Non-alcoholic mixed drinks or mocktails can be as fun and refreshing as their alcoholic counterparts. There are innumerous ways in which you can mix up sodas, syrups, juices, etc. to create delicious party mocktails that everyone can enjoy. That is the best part about mocktails. They can be enjoyed by adults and children alike. Whatever the occasion may be, from a casual brunch with your school friends, an office party, cards night with the boys, or even a pizza party with the kids, mocktails can have your back. In today's video, we have curated a list of the 7 best mocktail drink recipes that are not only easy to mix, but are also incredibly delicious. From Shirley Temple to Arnold Palmer, we have it all. Keep watching. Here are our top 7 delicious mocktail drink recipes. Number 1. Punch bowls. First on the list, we have the most versatile party mocktail ever. Punch bowls can be prepared in a variety of flavors and are perfect for every occasion. Punch bowls are easy to make and you won't have to worry about serving as the guests can help themselves. The sparkling pear punch is one of the best punch bowls that you can serve at a gathering. All you need to make this mocktail is ginger ale, sliced fresh pear juice, sugar and lemon. This punch bowl will be ready in minutes. You can also improvise your own recipe for an orange slush punch, pineapple orange sherbet punch, or the good old cranberry punch. How to make it? Pour the pear juice into a large punch bowl, then add lemon juice to it and stir it with sugar. Top it up with ginger ale and garnish with fresh pear slices. Number 2. Lime rickey. Want something that is refreshing and not too sweet? Try the cool lime rickey. You can improvise any summer drink and nothing will be as good as the classic lime rickey. Besides, you can make your own lime flavored soda from scratch. The lime rickey is easy to make, only requires about 5 ingredients and is loved by everyone. How to make it? In a pitcher, mix fresh lime juice with simple syrup. Prepare the serving glasses with ice and keep them ready. Divide the sweet lime juice concoction between the glasses and fill the rest of the glass with about 3 ounces of seltzer water. Stir with a swizzle stick and garnish with lime wedges. Number 3. Shirley Temple. Go to any restaurant or bar and you will find a Shirley Temple. The popular Shirley Temple is a favorite of kids and adults alike. Prepared under 5 minutes with only 4 ingredients, the refreshing Shirley Temple is an all-time favorite. The sweetness of the grenadine syrup contrasts the lemon-lime soda perfectly and fills your taste buds with delight. How to make it? Pour grenadine syrup in a tall Collins glass filled with ice cubes. Then top it off with equal parts of ginger ale and lemon-lime soda. Stir well and pop in 1 cherry or 2 for the perfect garnish. Number 4. Sweet Sunrise. The delightful Sweet Sunrise is one of the most versatile mocktails to ever exist. The Sweet Sunrise is excellent for breakfast, brunch, or even as a later afternoon drink to beat the summer blues. Also known as Virgin Sunrise, the Sweet Sunrise is very similar to the popular cocktail drink Tequila Sunrise, but without the tequila, of course. This mocktail has the ideal amount of sweetness as the freshly squeezed orange juice contrasts the sweet grenadine syrup in perfect fashion. How to make it? First, fill a tall glass with ice and freshly squeezed orange juice. Make sure that you leave a little room at the top. Now, carefully pour the grenadine syrup over the juice. You will notice that the syrup sinks to the bottom and slowly rises to the top as you drink the mocktail. Finish it off by garnishing with an orange slice and your mocktail is ready to be served. Number 5. The Sundowner. The Sundowner is the flawless last-minute mocktail drink for every party. Not only is it perfect for every occasion, but you can also make it in a glass or a pitcher, depending on the number of people you are serving. Trust us on this one, the Sundowner is an elegant cocktail. It is refreshing and the grape juice and mint create the perfect contrast. An incredibly easy to make drink, the refreshing Sundowner is the ideal mocktail to be served on every occasion, even baby showers and high school graduation parties. How to make it? Pour fresh grape juice and sparkling water into a wine glass filled with ice. Give it a good stir and add a mint sprig for the garnish. Your drink is ready to be served. Number 6. Holiday Pomegranate Mojito. If you're in the holiday spirit and want to surprise the kids with a fun drink, give the Holiday Pomegranate Mojito a try. This is a flavorful mojito drink that is filled with the greatness of fresh fruits. This recipe is so simple. All you need to do is mix, stir, and enjoy. The holiday pomegranate mojito is everyone's favorite, and you will love it. How to make it? Mix simple syrup, lime wedges, and mint leaves in a highball glass filled with ice. Now add pomegranate juice and lemonade before stirring well. Top the drink with club soda and finish by garnishing with pomegranate seeds and fresh mint. Number 7. Arnold Palmer. Last but not the least, we have the iconic Arnold Palmer, aka the perfect summertime drink. A legendary drink, Arnold Palmer was named after the late golf legend as it was one of his favorite drinks. Just a 2-ingredient drink. All you will need to make this mocktail is iced tea and lemonade in equal parts. The best part? It is ready in under 3 minutes. How to make it? Pour lemonade and iced tea into a tall glass filled with ice. Stir well and garnish with a slice of lemon. Your drink is ready to be served. These were 7 of the most delightful cocktail recipes that you must give a try. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos. And subscribe to our channel.